So the purpose of Benedictine Fit is to examine how a self-determination theory-based physical activity program affects social interaction, competence of that exercise program, and intrinsic motivation in obese older adults at the Benedictine Living Community in Duluth. So we want to increase their social interaction within the program to help enhance their physical activity and adherence to this program. So we think that social interaction, being able to interact with other people in this community while exercising, will help to not only enhance their levels of PA, but also help them adhere to the program. So increased competence within the program will allow them to obtain hopefully better results, and also for them to see themselves continuing to be physically active after the completion of this 4-month intervention. Increasing their intrinsic motivation will also allow members to achieve their PA goals for the sake of bettering themselves and for ultimately becoming healthier in the long run. And hopefully this increased intrinsic motivation will help them to continue their exercise after this program is completed.